let's learn Like It Like That. It's choreographed by Gary Lafferty. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Like It Like That. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a K-step with a brush. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Then step forward with your left foot, and you're going to brush your right foot forward, having it slightly go across your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn into a weave. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You just did our brush. You're going to do your jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly to the side, but next to your right. We're now going to rotate both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and then you're going to rotate both toes center, putting your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave, so you're going to rock to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a back rumba box. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, step back with your right and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step together with your right, taking weight onto your right foot, step forward with your left, and then you're going to brush your right foot forward, ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your back rumba box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Starting with your K-step. So it's K-step with your brush, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Now your weave, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, side, heels, toes, side together, back, touch, side together, forward, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back balls. I'm going to do steps. Side balls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your K-step. So it's K-step with your brush, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Now your weave, side behind, side cross. Side rock, cross, side, heels, toes, side together, back, touch, side together, forward, brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K-step with your brush, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Now your weave, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, side, heels, toes, side together, back, touch, side together, forward, brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and that is the whole dance. Now the dance ends facing the side wall. There's no ending listed. All I did was turn to the front, stepping forward, and that's how I ended, so that I ended facing 12 o'clock, but you can just end wherever you're facing when the song ends. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn like the I hope this helped you learn like it like that. If you have any questions, let me know.